Alright, so this is the second video and I'll show you how to upload a new photo or to create a new item listing and upload a photo and put it in the right place so that it shows on the website. So what you do first is you go to type in www.rabert.co.nz, so your website's up on the screen, and at the end of it type in administrator. Alright, and then click enter and you'll be taken to this back-end page here, and then so type in the username and password. Your username probably won't be admin. I probably will give you another one which is a bit more secure, and then the password, try and remember it. Okay, so then you'll see a screen like this. So don't worry too much about these ones here at the moment. I'll show you what those ones are in another video. So we want to go to the actual admin, the catalog part of the site, which is this box here. So click on that. It sometimes asks you to log in again. If you do, just do the same password. If it doesn't, then don't worry about it. Okay, so the only two items that you need here, don't worry about from here all the way along to here. This is stuff that I've used when setting up your site, and it's stuff that we can use later if we want to turn your site into an actual e-commerce site so people can buy products online. So don't worry about those. The only ones you need to worry about is the product list and the category tree. So the category tree is all your categories like terracotta pots or clocks or something like that. And product list is all your products. So go ahead and click on that one, and it asks me to log in again. Sometimes it does, it only does it once. Just an extra security thing. So okay, so just go back to the product list. Okay, so this part here is all the products in this part here will be listed that are listed on your site. If you want to see them all, you can go to the bottom here, or if you want to see more on a page, you can click. At the moment there's 20 on a page, but you could click to see 30 on a page, and then 30 will turn up. And if you want to just see them in just one category, so if you want to see all of the barometers, just go to this drop down box here and just click barometers, and it will filter out everything except barometers, so you can see all your barometers in there. Okay, so what else? That's pretty much all you really need to worry about. Don't worry about these sorts of things here. Let me just see. Don't worry about add a review, publish. If you would just want to take something off the site quickly but not delete it, so it's still in the back but you just can't see it on the front, so say if for some reason you can't get it in or you want to hide it, just click this button here. Just click this yellow, this green tick, and a little cross will appear here. Oh, there it is there. It moves it down to the bottom, so that means it's not showing on the site. So we'll just click that one and make sure it's still showing on the site now. Up here you can search for a product that was added after a certain date or before a certain date. I don't know if that'll be useful or not. I thought it might be, so that was just in there. If you don't need it, don't worry about it. And that's pretty much all you need to know about. Don't worry about this stuff here. You won't need to use it. One thing to remember though, if you get lost and you don't know how to get back to this page here, always go up to site up here and click control panel. It'll take you back to here, and then you can just go admin catalog again. In case you accidentally get lost, you accidentally click this and you sort of, well, not that one, but you're stuck somewhere, just go back up to site. Yeah, so you go back up to control panel and admin catalog. That's quite important because you may get a little bit lost. Okay, so we want to add a product. So what we do, we go to the product list and we go new at the top. Okay, so from here, this is all the information about that individual product that you want to add. So SKU is the product code, which I know is if we do the same, if we do for the image that we resized before, which was terracotta. So you can call it whatever you want in here. We'll just call it terracotta. So that's the code, that's the name of it, that's the name that will actually show up the top. URL, don't worry about that one. Here is what category you want to put it into, so sorts it nice and easy to find. Terracotta is what you want to put it into. Here is the product description. So you might want to go terracotta wall hanging, something like that. Oh, terracotta wall hanging. That's when you click on the actual listing itself. This is the main part. You can put a short description, which I think I may have told you about the other day. Just put terracotta hanging. So that'll show up in the actual listing search. Okay, so up here, we just need to put the price. So let's say this is $45. It's already set to New Zealand dollars. The only thing you have to change here is the tax rate. So 12.5%. So it works out the tax on there as well. So that's easy. And that is all you need to do on that page there. So then you just go to the next page, which you won't need that one. This one here on product status. Now, remember we were talking about how can you set it so it's unavailable? Yes, simply just leave. Well, you can put as many in stock if you've got 10 in stock, that sort of thing. When it becomes available, this one here, you can just simply click not available, and it puts a little not available up there. And then when you want to make it available again, go back into this listing, just change that to available. So that's that one there. You may want to put in the length and weight and that sort of thing. It's up to you. You might find later on that it works out better to do that, but the feature is there. And then we go to the images. So then we just need to browse for that image that we shrunk before. And there it is here. So you open that, it'll create a path again. Make sure auto create thumbnail is on. It should always jump to it, but just make sure that it is on, otherwise you won't get a thumbnail. Which is just a little picture, obviously. And that is it for in there. So then all you do is you go save. And it's now saved. There's the image. You can look at the listings, all the information that you've put in there. Now to check it on the site, anywhere from this back end part, you can click this button called preview. And the site will pop up from the front end. So if you want to check that listing, know that it's called T001, and there it is there. Cool. Okay, in the next video, I'll show you how to edit some information that might be on there, like a price or something like that. Cool.